We now write an equation for y in the form of y equals mx plus b, where y represents the total monthly cost and x represents the monthly minutes. We are also given these two information. That is, when the monthly minutes is about 100 minutes, the total monthly cost is $660. And also when the monthly minutes is 700 minutes, the total monthly cost is $180. So let's use this first information. That is when x equal to 100. So I'm going to plug in x equal to 100 and y equals 60 into this model. So therefore this will become, since y equal to 60, this becomes 60 equals m times of x is 100 plus b. Now let's simplify this equation. I can rewrite this as 100m plus b, and this equals 60. Let's say this is equation number 1. And now I'm going to use the second information, that is when x equal to 700, y equals 180. So x equals 700, y equal to 180. We plug this into the model. So therefore it becomes 180, and this equals m times of x is 700 plus b is, yeah, we have to put b. Now we can simplify and write down in the equation form. That is 700m plus b, and this equals 180. Let's say this is equation number 2. So we have two equations in terms of two variables, m and b. We can do addition or subtraction, or we can also solve this by substitution or elimination method. I'm now going to do this operation, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. And this means we have to correspondingly subtract the equation of the left side as well as the right side. The left side of this equation 2 is 700 plus m plus b. So I put this first, minus the left side of the right equation 1, which is 100m plus b. So we do the subtraction of the left side expression, and similarly we do the subtraction of the right side expression, that is 180 minus 60. Now let's simplify this. So we can expand this bracket. This is 700m plus b, and if we expand the second bracket, it will become minus 100m minus b, and this equals 180 minus 60 is 120. So let's simplify this right side. 700m minus 600m, I'm sorry, 100m is equal to 600m, and this positive b, negative b, they get cancelled. So we get a 600m equals 120. Now let's simplify this. If we divide both sides by 600, we get the value of m, and m equals 120 over 600. So we can do this cancellation. 600 goes into 120 as 5 times, and this is 1 time. So this is basically equivalent to 1 over 5, or in terms of decimal, this is equal to 0.2. So we have determined the value of m, which equals 0.2, which means we can now determine the value of b as well. I'm going to substitute the value of m equal to 0.2 into equation 1, so that we determine the value of b. So when we do that, we get 100 times of the equation 1 is m plus b. So I replace m by 0.2 plus b, and this equals 60. So we write down 60 over here. 100 times of 0.2 is equal to 20 plus b, and this equals 60. So we can determine the value of b when we subtract 20 from both sides. 60 minus 20 is 40. So we have determined the value of b as well. So now that we have the value of m as well as b, we can write down the model for the total monthly cost by plugging into this model, that is y equal to mx plus b. So when you do that, we get y equals m is zero point 0.2 and x plus b. So this is the model to determine the monthly cost given the monthly minutes. Let's answer part B. So here we determine the total monthly cost when 712 minutes is used. This means we are given x equals 712. So we plug it into the model to determine the value of y when x equal to 712. So therefore y equals 0.2 times of x equals 712 plus 40. And this equals zero point 0.2 times of 712 is 142.4 plus 40. So this equals 182.4, and this is in dollars. So this is the total monthly cost when 712 minutes are used.